My first job was as a collection specialist naman. But it was for an international bank account. Kasi ang focus ko lang talaga before is paano ko ba siya gagawin. So wala kasi akong idea, and then the tools, it was overwhelming for me. I don't have any knowledge of it. Even though naka-train ako, or even though naman nadaanan ko naman lahat, and precise naman yung pagtuturo, but it's just that it's overwhelming. And wala akong masyadong iniisip kung ano yung magiging feedback sa akin kasi nga focus ko kung paano yung gagawin. And then right after, na when I get the hang of the job, tapos nakakarinig ako ng ganon. Kasi hindi ko siya, parang ayoko siya nang balikan. Gusto ko nang umalis. Kasi to be honest, I am a performer and I love interacting with people, and ang pinakagusto kong ginagawa is to satisfy yung mga taong nakikinig o napapanood ako. So, knowing na nandun ako sa industry, tapos nakakarinig ako ng ganon, parang na-disappoint ako sa sarili ko na bakit ko ba naman pinasok to ganon. Empathy. Always. Kasi super daling makinig, no? Super madaling makinig, super daling makipag-communicate with people. And also, tell them how sympathetic you are. Pero it's so hard to be genuinely empathetic. Super hard. Kasi it takes a lot of effort. Tsaka, mararamdaman ng kausap mo na kung empathetic ka eh. Kasi, yung alam mong kung ano yung nararamdaman nila at na-absorb mo yun, super hard. So, kapag naawa ka, it's different. So, to have that character is a plus kapag meron ka nun, kasi kahit saan ka pumunta, you trust yourself na hindi ka madidisappoint, no, hindi mo madidisappoint yung mga taong makakasalamuha mo.